Welcome back to the channel, and today is a special day. We're doing a giveaway. I'm doing $5,000 worth of giveaway, and it's going to be exciting. We're going to put every subscriber into our wheel of names and then draw random winners. 10 winners today. We're going to go fast, but before I get into it, I want to share with you what it is that we're getting. Okay, so this giveaway is for a $500 hotel gift card. And this gift card is good at over 1 million hotels and resorts around the world. It's good at over 8,000 nationwide car rental locations. And it can also benefit you with thousands of activities and excursions that you can add to your vacation. You can use this gift card for business trips, family trips, recreational trips, anything. And it's good at, like, again, 1 million hotels. So today I'm giving away 10 of these $500 gift cards. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty generous. And at the end, I'm going to share with you how you can do this same kind of giveaway, and it doesn't cost you very much to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick our first 10 winners. Then I'm going to share with you how you can do this same kind of an incentive program to sell just about anything, to promote anything, to get new email subscribers to your list, to give away as bonuses when you do a webinar, to give away as bonuses when you sell a course, or really any product or service, even if you own a local business, that can be very, very helpful for you. But let's go ahead and click the spinner and see who is going to be our first winner. That actually rhymes, right? So these are all subscribers that have subscribed to my free newsletter. You'll get the link at the description down below. You can subscribe there. And our first winner is, all right, now I'm not going to say the whole email address. I only have email addresses here, but I am going to copy and paste that email address so that I can send you an email. Let's put that into a notepad doc. All right, so that is our first winner. And again, I don't want to give away any clues. I'm going to be blurring this out so that we don't give away any private information. So our first winner, and the first winner, I'll say the winner's email address starts with the letters EDIT. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to give the first 4 letters of the email address. So if your email address starts with EDIT, you're probably the winner, and you're going to get an email from me. If you don't get an email from me, reach out to me and I can verify if that's you or not. Okay, that's just the way we have to do it because we don't want to give away people's email addresses. So I'm going to remove that name now that I pasted it over here, and we're going to do another spin. So our second winner, here we go. So I'm putting a number 1 for that one, and then this is going to be number 2 winner. Number 2 winner. All right. If your email address starts with WAWE, you are a winner of a $500 hotel and car rental gift card. That's amazing. All right, let me copy and paste that. That's winner number 2. And then we're going to choose number 3. So I'm going to remove this winner. Spin again. This is for winner number 3. All right. Oh, I happen to know this guy. Congratulations. I know your name, and your name is Tony. Congratulations. Uh, I don't have to say the first 4 letters, but I will. It's CHEF, first 4 letters of your email address. Congratulations, Tony. Wow, that is awesome. It's good to see somebody that I actually know here. Now we're going to remove that name. And we're going to spin again. We're going for our 4th winner. 4th winner of a $500 gift card, hotel gift card. And that is, all right, congratulations, KMPE. I'm going to put that down over here. KMPE. If your email starts with those 4 letters, you're a winner of a $500 hotel gift card, available, usable at any of 1 million hotels around the world. Congratulations, KMPE. I'm going to remove that email address. Spin again for number 5. Number 5 winner, 5 times 5, $2,500 we're giving away right here, right? Congratulations. LORE is the first 4 letters. Let me put that over here under number 5. Congratulations. Remove it. Let's go for number 6 winner. We're giving away $5,000 in value here today, everybody. Hope you're excited. I'm excited doing this. I'll share with you how you can do something similar for your business. All right. Our next winner, the 4 letters are VICK. Congratulations on that. And I'm going to paste it over here, remove the name. Now we're going for winner number 7. Spin the wheel. And again, the way to qualify for these is simply be a free email subscriber to my newsletter. And that link will be in the description below. And here's our latest winner. Congratulations. WERH is the first 4 letters of this email address. Congratulations. I've pasted that over there. All of you will be getting notified from me. I'll be sending you a direct email. Be looking out for that email. And I'm going to be asking you for your full name. That's all I need is your full name. And I already have your email address. And then I'll be able to pop that in and send that gift card to you right away. All right, let's go for winner number 8. Winner number 8 of a $500 hotel gift card. All you need to do is be a free newsletter subscriber to do this. All right. We have PAST is the first 4 letters. Congratulations, PAST. I'm going to copy and paste your email address over here. Remove that. And we're down to the last 2 winners. Spinning the wheel. See who wins this time. Latest winner is LIGH. Congratulations. LIGH, winner of a $500 hotel gift card. I'll remove that name. And this is for our last winner of a $500 hotel gift card. We're giving away $5,000 in value today, everybody. Very exciting. All right. AKAY is the first 4 letters of this email address. I'm going to paste it over here. All right. We have our 10 winners of a $500 hotel gift card. Congratulations to all of you. I'm going to be reaching out to you directly via email ahead of this video coming out. And you just send me your full name. That's all I need, your first name and last name. And that way we put that on your hotel gift card, send it to you, and you can now use this at over 1 million hotels, over 8,000 car rental places, and additional things that you can do with this gift card. This is my thank you for being a subscriber to my free newsletter. And so since it costs you nothing, why not, right? Why not join the free newsletter? You're going to get all my latest videos, my latest strategies. Anytime I put out a brand new course, you're going to be the first to find out. You'll be at the top of the list with anything new that happens on this channel. So be sure to subscribe to that free newsletter at the link in the description below. We'll also have a QR code here for you to use if you want. Either way, it costs you nothing, and it's going to potentially give you at least a $500 gift card. So, before I forget, I want to mention that below in the description, I'm going to have a link to a way that you can do this same kind of thing. Not only can you give away gift cards from $100 to $500, but you can also give away entire 3-day and 4-day hotel stays, which is incredible. Complimentary hotel stays. This is perfect. It really doesn't matter what business you're in. You can benefit from this because sometimes you need just a little extra to push people over the edge to buy from you or to join your email list or to do any number of things. And this is an incredible way to do that. So I will have a link to that special incentive program in the description below. Be sure to check it out. If you're in any kind of business at all, you're going to want to see this. It's incredible. And I use it in so many different ways, including what I just did today to increase my email subscribers, right? So hope you like that, and we'll see you next time on the channel. Thanks.